Greetings, history buffs and adventurers! Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey through time as we uncover 15 fascinating facts about one of the world's most iconic landmarks, the Great Wall of China. So, strap in and let's delve into the secrets of this ancient wonder. Fact 1. The magnificent structure. Did you know that the Great Wall of China stretches over 13,000 miles? That's equivalent to the distance from New York to Beijing and back again, with some wall to spare. Fact 2. Centuries in the making. Construction of the Great Wall began over 2,000 years ago during the Qin dynasty and continued for centuries under various dynasties. It's a testament to the enduring ingenuity and determination of the Chinese people. Fact 3. Not one, but many walls. Contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall isn't a single continuous structure. Instead, it consists of multiple walls, fortifications, and natural barriers, built over different periods to protect China's northern borders from invaders. Fact 4. Human sacrifice. During its construction, countless laborers, soldiers, and prisoners toiled under harsh conditions, resulting in numerous casualties. It's estimated that over 1 million people lost their lives building the Great Wall, earning it the nickname the longest cemetery on Earth. Fact 5. The wall's purpose. While commonly associated with defense, the Great Wall served multiple purposes, including border control, regulation of trade, and as a symbol of imperial power. It was also used for communication, with beacon towers and smoke signals relaying messages across vast distances. Fact 6. Materials and techniques. The Great Wall was constructed using a variety of materials, including bricks, stones, rammed earth, and even wood in some sections. Ingenious engineering techniques, such as bricklaying and mortar, were employed to ensure its strength and durability. Fact 7. The wall's height and width. At its tallest points, the Great Wall reaches heights of up to 26 feet, while its width spans an impressive 30 feet in some sections. This formidable size made it nearly impenetrable to invaders. Fact 8. A UNESCO World Heritage Site. In 1987, the Great Wall of China was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its cultural and historical significance. It stands as a testament to human perseverance and ingenuity. Fact 9. Visible from space. Contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall of China is not visible from space with the naked eye. However, astronauts have reported being able to see it from low Earth orbit under the right conditions. Fact 10. Mythical origins. Legend has it that the Great Wall was built by a mythical figure named Meng Jiongnu, who wept bitterly for her husband's death during its construction. Her tears were said to have caused a section of the wall to collapse. Fact 11. Restoration efforts. Over the years, various restoration projects have been undertaken to preserve and maintain the Great Wall. Despite its age and exposure to the elements, efforts continue to ensure that this ancient marvel remains standing for future generations to admire. Fact 12. Tourism and visitors. Each year, millions of tourists from around the world flock to the Great Wall of China to marvel at its grandeur and learn about its storied past. It's not just a physical barrier. It's a bridge connecting people across cultures and continents. Fact 13. Strategic passes and gates. Strategic passes and gates were crucial elements of the Great Wall's defense system, controlling access to key points along its length. Famous gates such as the Jiayuguan Pass and Shanhaiguan Pass played pivotal roles in China's military history. Fact 14. Symbol of unity. The Great Wall of China is more than just a defensive structure. It's a symbol of unity and strength for the Chinese people. It embodies the collective spirit of generations who work together to protect their homeland. Fact 15. The Great Wall in popular culture. Throughout history, the Great Wall has captured the imagination of artists, writers, and filmmakers worldwide. It has been featured in countless books, movies, and artworks, solidifying its status as one of the most iconic landmarks on Earth. And there you have it, 15 remarkable facts about the Great Wall of China that shed light on its incredible history and enduring legacy. Whether you're planning a visit or simply fascinated by its grandeur, the Great Wall continues to inspire awe and wonder in all who behold it. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey.